is all excited because she hasn't done the local walk for a while. I've been taking her to the dog park, but she does much prefer a bush walk. So taking all the smells and try to find the wallabies. And finally, I've had a response from Sydney Water to clean up all the rubbish in this reserve. I've been told that they're trying to get rid of all the burnt out cars in the reserve and they'll get back to me. So back there where there's been a huge rubbish dump for a long time, they've bagged it all up and put it in a pile. I've taken a photo and I'll see whether they come back to get it. Yes, came for a drive up to the end of the street there yesterday evening, and they'd fenced off an area of reserve and they've dug up all the ground with the machines and flattened out the soil. I'm not sure what they're doing there, but that grass reserve was one of the key grazing areas for all the kangaroos and wallaroos and wallabies here in the morning and the evenings. So hopefully it hasn't scared them away from the reserve. See right there. Western swamp wallaby hiding in amongst all the ferns. There. Mika is super alert this morning. I don't know what these bubbles are in water. So over the back there is where they've leveled out all the dirt. And they're going to do some kind of works there. Just coming up through this trail now. Just here. And it's sad because, look, here it is. See, it's a big wallaby.